Hey there, Pet Pro fans. Welcome back to another Rehouse video. We're back with some frogs. And this is the giant veined milk frog, also known as the common milk frog. So we just did a 12-12-18 bioactive setup for him, marble queen pothos, some branches with lichen that we've scavenged, found ourselves. And we've got 3 of these guys in here. So let's see if we can't get them into their new homes. My hands are totally clean. How amazing is that? They're really cool. Their undersides too is almost it's completely see-through. You can see all their internal organs. What a wicked cool species. All right, we're gonna get the other ones in there.